And good morning. Good morning. Today we are in Hogsback. Yes. So we decided that we needed a trip, and so we are in Hogsback. We decided that we needed a trip, and we thought, hey, let's check out Hogsback. So today we are in Hogsback. We are hiking, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. The weather is beautiful, and Akko is here, Sasonga is here, we have the kids. So yeah, we'll take you guys with, show you around. It's a beautiful place.
Yeah. Lifestyle, yeah, my lifestyle, yeah, my lifestyle on a high now. Lifestyle, yeah, my lifestyle, yeah, my lifestyle on a high now. She told me she loving my lifestyle. I'm young and I'm living my life now. Lifestyle, yeah, my lifestyle, yeah, my lifestyle is a vibe now. Lifestyle, yeah, my lifestyle, yeah, my lifestyle.
Yeah. How ends it get into?
Yeah, girl, it's so good.
I did the intro, you must slap.
Well, we are now approaching Madonna and Child Falls. We want to go to a waterfall.
She says, don't rush.
We are walking and we are having a good time because we
says,
are adventurous.
Don't rush.
Jeez, dude. What type of vlog is this?
It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, Songa, tell this, okay. Okay, so we are going to the Madonna and Child Falls, and we are adventurous people this time around. We usually go out on dinner dates, go in different cities. This time around, we've decided to keep it local. We are in Hogsback, and we are. We're here. Okay, so we're now walking.
Wait.
And yo, guys.
Wait, yeah.
The stairs and everything up. It is so green and so beautiful. I am loving it. So natural, more than anything. And yeah, we'll show you when we get to the waterfall. It's gonna be amazing.
Hi, man. Wake up in the morning, count my blessings. Man, I'm way fresher than the reverend. Can't help it, I'm anointed, you jealous. No bad vibes, you can get to stepping. I'm blessed, ain't no question.
Amalgamate! Exquisite! Like the water!
I hope you get the message. Got my best friend, got my best friend. Got my best friend, got my best friend. Got my best friend, got my best friend. Got my best friend, got my best friend.
Okay, so it's not as easy as we thought. Yeah, it's it's not as easy as we thought.
Look at us, so nice.
Yeah, I know, Joga. And like, we're still going down.
We're not halfway through this.
Look at him. We are still going down. We're gonna go up.
I hate my life right now.
I am afraid of what's gonna happen.
Hate my
But
life right now.
can I just say, it's beautiful. It's amazing.
It's exquisite.
It's amalgamate.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Please don't push.
Got my best friend, got my best friend. I got my best friend. Got my best friend. Okay, got my best friend. Okay, but make no test friend. Okay, got my best friend. Okay, but make no test friend. Sissy chum. Come my boom. Hey man.
This is the waterfalls, guys. The Hogsback. Listen, Nina, you guys have been there. How is it?
Yo, Jonga.
Jonga.
Experience them nani. That's it. Says but according to one, we have Victoria Falls.
Jonga. Listen, I was saying to him that before we see Victoria Falls, we need to come here.
This year after Eastern Cape Adventure.
Oh, man, it's beautiful.
I'm telling you, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Sithi kuba stop running, but don't kill our vibe.
Have we gone over? You're looking good.
Sissy chum. Come my boom. Hey man. Hype man. Tembe low. Hype man. Was it up? Zen the Holy Ghost.
Yeah, no. Your legs are shaking, Gokia. My legs were not shaking, but now my legs are shaking.
Okay, I need to take off this thing that I have.
Yeah, it's been rain. No, it's hectic.
It's hectic.
Yeah, I'll just show you guys the view.
No salanga, no malome. Abase duto na sekaba na semon. Mdanzan na semtata na sekonga. Manchete ninyang, hamba no tifunu, hamba no pai. Lezi njazan, soze lisbim, soze ziplan. Manchete ninyang, hamba no.
All right, after about 30 minutes of walking, we have finally arrived at the waterfall. Look at it. It is absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. That's the song at the back. What's up, song?
Hey!
That's her at the back. Look, it is beautiful. It is
amazing.
Oh, it's amazing. It is amazing. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. We are with children, so you can imagine our attention is divided to making sure that they are safe in their world. But it's beautiful. Come out here if you've got time. It's amazing.
Wake up in the morning, count my blessings. Man, I'm way fresher than the reverend. Can't help it, I'm anointed, you jealous. Don't bad bite, you get stepping. I'm blessed, ain't no question. What you think of that? I hope you get the message. Got my best friend, got my best friend. That's my best friend, got my best friend.
No, you do it.
We're walking back to the car. We just came back from the waterfalls. As in, guys, but we are tired. Listen, we are not ready for the road ahead. It's a long, steep road back. We're going back to the car.
But how was
amazing. There's something about nature that's so peaceful. Right?
Like,
and so strong.
We were saying that we could like literally sit there like the whole day. It's beautiful.
The entire day. I actually thought to myself, I mean now to come and meditate sometimes.
Yes.
And just come and watch nature.
I completely agree.
And think and not hear any human voice or animal voice because there's no animals around as well. So it's just a peaceful, beautiful place. It's amazing.
Yeah. So now we're walking back to the car.
I'm not ready.
It's gonna be a long one.
Yeah. You can't be taking videos. Look at me.
We need to know, but we need to know the
horrible. I don't even know how to say. We've gotten back to the top of. We are where we started.
We need to hydrate, guys.
At the mountain falls. Listen, there's a point where I said I want to fake my death so that they can get helicopters.
I'm gonna pick you.
I know. He said, "Why not?"
They would call helicopters to come get me. You could manage. I'm never doing this in the next 2 years.
No, we need to know. No,
I need to exercise.
No,
yeah. I can't, but it's fantastic.
Yeah, I know.
It's a nice experience.
Oh, yeah. This is the end of this vlog. Yeah, we're super tired. Yeah, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Fella in Versace, fella